What's up? I'm Troubleshoot. Welcome back to another video. In this quick guide, I'll be talking about Transmog, or at least changing how your items look. I've opened up the gear screen here, and I look maybe not the best. Some items strange, googly eyes and things like that. How do we customize how we look? Well, it's completely free and you can do it at practically any level. I'm early level 10 on this account, so how do we do it? Hover over any items here, and on this little pop-up, you'll see at the very bottom, change appearance. On PC, the button is F. I'll hit it, and upon doing so, we can now customize how it looks. There's a bunch of these to choose from different collections, such as Dark Arts, Legendary, etc., and you can customize how you look. We can go through every item here and customize it, though when you do swap it out with something else, for example, the eyewear here, I'll unequip it, you can see it vanishes, but let's swap it out. So different gloves, these do change the look, as you can see, so you'll need to re-customize every time you change items. It's a little bit annoying, but it's still worthwhile doing if you have good items equipped and you're not often going to find things that look different. So that's really about it for this super quick guide. Thank you all for watching. Mine has been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.